Good morning and welcome to America's Home Cooking. I am going to try to pronounce this word. Za'atar, Z-A-A-T-A-R. It's a seasoning that we're going to need. You find this stuff in Lebanese food a lot and in the Middle East. First off, we need 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, and they have to be toasted. I pay so much for such a little bottle of these. I remember going to Shahadi's and I could buy it by the bags and pounds if you wanted. Okay, now what we have to do with these sesame seeds is we're going to have to toast them. So I set my oven at 350. I can show you. I have it right here, and I have it in a frying pan, the seeds, so I can put them in the oven. We're just waiting for it to hit 350, and we're just going to just lightly toast them. You don't want them burnt, so be very careful. Now this is going to make, how much? About a half a cup. And they say that this is a vegetarian thing, all right? We're going to need a half a cup of dried thyme ground. So I'll get a half a cup and get the grinder, and we will grind it up. I don't know what compelled me to buy a large container of thyme. Because this is actually a seasoned mixture. And if you like Middle Eastern food, this will go very nicely. Let me get my grinder out. I've got my canning jar. It's almost ready. Well, that did the job very, very nice. Alright, I'm going to say this and I don't believe this, but they want you to add sumac, S-U-M-A-C, a spice from a spice affair. It's a Lebanese dish or seasoning they use for their salads. Best kept secret. So they keep it a nice secret, okay? They want 1.5 tablespoons of this. Don't worry, when I saw the name of it, I almost hit the panic button. But I've eaten Lebanese food and it didn't bother me, so I said, okay. So now we just have to toast the sesame seeds. We'll add them into this. I don't think they just said combine everything, but the only thing they wanted ground was the thyme. Okay, so as soon as they're done, I will be back. Okay, I toasted mine. I don't want to toast them anymore because I know I'll burn them. You're going to put these 2 tablespoons in here. And we shake it up. Now, keeping this in the jar, an airtight container, you can sit there and use this up to 1 year. Let me get a marker. I'm going to have to mark this. It's an unusual smell. You just shake them up and that's it. All right. Z-A-Z-T-A-R. Za'atar? I guess so. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Anyway, that's how you make this season. Another season mixture. Take care.